Okay, hello and good day everyone, no? So today we will continue our last topic for this week about transversal, no? So now, i-include natin si perpendicular transversal, no? Hindi lang naman lagi sa parallel lines may transversal, meron din sa perpendicular. Now, perpendicular transversal theorem, no? As you can see here, no? Ito yung figure niya. A and B are parallel lines, no? And then yung line T natin, no, magiging transversal. Pero yung pagcut niya dito sa sa two parallel lines na to forms a perpendicular lines. Now, in a perpendicular transversal theorem, if a transversal is perpendicular to one of two parallel lines, then it is perpendicular to the other line, no? Halimbawa dito, since A and B are parallel, no? And then nag-cut si line T dito. I mean si line L, ito yung transversal natin, si line L. Now, nung nag-cut si line L, naging perpendicular siya kay line B, no? Kung perpendicular siya kay line B, therefore perpendicular din siya kay line A. Okay? Yan ang sa perpendicular transversal theorem. Another one, if a transversal is perpendicular to the two parallel lines, then they form right angles, no? So kung perpendicular siya sa two parallel lines, they can form, eight, no? Actually, 8 right angles. And then, if a transversal form right angles to the two parallel lines, then the angles are all equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, no, wala tayong problema para hanapin yung measured angles na itong mga angles na na-form dito. Kasi they are all equal to 90 degrees. Okay? Your measure of angle 1 is 90 degrees. Your angle 2 is 90. Your 3 is 90. Your 4 is 90. Your angle 5 is 90. Your 6 is 90. Your 70 is 90. And your measure of angle 8 is 90 degrees. Okay? Now, let us prove, no? Example is one. Given, line L is parallel to line B. Transversal T cuts line A and B. No? Now, your T here is perpendicular to A. Prove that your angle, yung line T natin is perpendicular to B. So ito yung nabanggit ko na kanina, no? Statement reason na table tayo. Unang statement, line A is parallel to B with transversal T. Ano yon? Anong reason natin dyan? Unang statement natin, that is given. Second statement natin, no? Measure angle 1 is congruent to measure angle 2. As you can see rin dito sa figure na to, no? Paano sila naging equal or congruent? Corresponding angles postulate. Angle 1, angle 2 is a corresponding angle. Okay, no. Corresponding angles, no? The next, yung line T is perpendicular to A. Given, no? And then measure angle 1 here is equal to 90 degrees, no? Kung perpendicular si line T kay line A, therefore yung measure angle 1 natin dito is 90 degrees. Anong reason? Definition of perpendicular and definition of a right triangle or right angles. Okay? So kapag perpendicular, automatic yung angle is right angle or equal to 90 degrees. Then measure angle 1 is equal to measure angle 2. Again, equal sila. Anong reason? Galing sa step 2, corresponding angle postulates. Now, if they are equal, next statement natin is measure angle 2 is 90 degrees. Anong reason? Substitution property. Kasi nga si 1 is 90 and then equal sila ni 2, it will follows that your measure angle 2 natin is also 90 degrees. Substitution property. We just have to substitute measure angle 1 to 90. Next, measure angle 2 is a right angle. No? Kung 90 degrees si measure angle 2, then it is right angle. No? Reason, definition of right angles. What is the definition of right angles? These are angles with an angle measure of 90. Therefore, no, your T here is perpendicular to A. No? Definition of right angles. Okay. Exercise tayo. No. Wait lang. Your B pala to, hindi to T. B. No? Kasi meron na dito. Okay. Now, exercise tayo. Solve for x. No? Number 1. If measured angle 3 is 2x minus 4, what is x? Okay? Now, anong angle measure ni 3? That is 90. Substitute, no? 2x minus 4 equal to 90. Transpose 4 to the other side. We have 2x equal to 90 plus 4. 90 plus 4 is equal to 94. Then divide both sides by 2. Cancel this out. Then we have x is equal to 94 divided by 2 is 47. Now your x here is 47. Next, if measured angle 1 is x plus 12 and measured angle 4 is 4x minus 6, what is x? Angle 1 and angle 4, no? Okay, medyo may difference. Anong relationship nila? They are linear pair, pero they are right angles naman, no? So magiging equal na lang sila, no? Wala nang supplementary. Now, measured angle 1 is x plus 12. Your measured angle 4 natin is 4x minus 6. Transpose x minus 4x here equal to, transpose yung 12, we have negative 6 minus 12. X minus 4x is negative 3x. Negative 6 minus 12 is negative 18. Divide both sides by negative 3. Cancel this out. We have x is equals to negative 18 divided by negative 3. That is x. Okay, madali lang. Ito na. If measured angle 8 is 2x plus y and measured angle 7 is 20x minus 5y, what is x? No? Here, 8 and 7, no? Automatic equal naman yan sila, no? So here measured angle 8 is 2x plus y. Substitute natin, we have 90 equal to 2x plus y. Na di pa natin makukuha yung x and y dito. For measured, okay, transpose muna. Transpose 2x to the other side, may 90 minus 2x equal to 8. Next, measured angle 7 is 20x minus 5y. Transpose 20. Substitute 7 to 90 muna, then transpose 20x to the other side. Okay, then we have here 90 minus 20x equal to negative 5 over by y. Divide both sides by 5. No? Solve for y muna to in terms of x. Maging 90 divided by negative 5 is negative 18. Negative 20 divided by negative 5 is positive 4. Then copy yung x equal to, cancel this out, we have y. Now, ito yung tinatawag na comparison method, no? If you still remember, I don't know kung naituro ko to, pero way of solving linear equations din to. Okay? Now, since para silang y, no? And then ito yung value ng y, no, dito sa una, sa measure of angle 8. Ito naman for measure of angle 7. Therefore, if they are both equal to y, therefore 90 degrees minus 2x is equal to negative 18 plus 4x. Okay? Transpose natin negative 18. 90 muna. 90. Okay, sorry. Okay, 90 transpose. Then we have negative 2x. Transpose 4x to the other side. Magiging negative 4x equal to negative 18. Transpose magiging negative 90. Negative 2x minus 4x is negative 6x. Negative 18 minus 90 is equal to negative 108. Divide both sides by negative 6. We have x is equal to negative 108 divided by negative 6. That would be equal to 18. Now, your x here is 18. Okay, that's it. Thank you for listening. And again, do not forget to answer your exercises. Okay, that's all. Goodbye and God bless.